Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. All right, guys. So, how to determine Forex trend direction? So, here I am looking at a pair. I'm looking at the euro versus the Japanese yen, and to be able to determine what direction this is going to be in, or what direction it's going to go in, how can I make that happen? Well, if you're looking at this right now, based on what you're looking at here on the chart, right? Here in TradingView, you can determine if you're looking at it. You can see a downtrend has occurred right here. So downtrend from leftover from Friday, picking back up today. It dropped all the way down, and we are now. It's the 19th, and you can guesstimate that you think it's going to continue to go down, but the reality is we really do not know. Okay, you cannot determine what the trend is going to be when trading. So all you can do is if we could all determine what the trend would be, there's no doubt that we would all be extremely wealthy, right? At this point, so you cannot determine what the trend is going to be. What you can do is prepare yourself for what direction you think the trend may go in and be prepared to take a setup when that happens. All right. So now if you look at the market only moves three ways, guys. It's going to go up, down, or sideways. So it's going to go into a buy, be long, or go short into a sell, or it's going to go sideways, which is consolidation. So even if you look at this pair here, it hit some consolidation right here. It went up a little bit, but it got consolidated right here. It went uptrend and reverse, went into a downtrend. And one of the ways you can look at it, guys, is to trying to get an estimate is to do what's called back testing. And as a lot of educators say, look to the left. So if you look right here, starting from January 7th, this was in a nice uptrend all the way until the 13th. And then after that, it kind of teetered off, went down a little, but it really started going sideways until recently made a move here. So what's the best way to predict if it is going to go up? Is it going to go down? You need to mark up your chart. You need to mark up your chart, and from marking up your chart, you will be able to determine, based on your analysis and strategy, what is the potential move is going to make next. I like to mark it up to where I'm prepared for if it does go into a buy, and I'm prepared if it goes into a sell. So just doing a quick analysis, how am I going to do that? So right here, you can see here prices at 122.24, and I'm not sure where it's going to go yet, right? So for me to determine, the market just opened back up a few hours ago. For me to determine where this is heading off to, I need to have my charts marked up. So you're looking at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is where the market opened back up here at 4 o'clock Central Time, right? So this is the last candle from Friday, okay? So I could look at this and say, well, where am I going to mark this up at for a buy and sell? So I use support and resistance, right? So I'm going to come here, just looking at this analysis, where am I going to make my next level at for a buy and a sell? So for me to get into this trade as a buy, I've determined this is my closest, highest level of resistance right here, okay? So I'm going to mark this area up right here. This is my zone of where price was up and down, right? So this is what I'm going to be for a buy, and then for a sell. This is the lowest candle, but I have no wick or anything to go off of. So if I would have went off of what was marked up last, right? Excuse me. What was the lowest level of resistance before the market closed? It would have been right here. Okay. As you can see here, a nice support level, support. So now you can say, well, Eddie, a candle did close under that and then went back up. This is when the market first opened back up. So, I'm just going to make this like that. But being that I'm looking at it now, being that, you know, I don't want to go there because of this candle did close under here. So by this candle closing under here, meaning that this level got broke. Nothing retested right here. So I need to go below this candle, this green candle here when the market first opened back up. So I'm going to go right here because I'm looking to the left and there was a level of support right here. I'll go look and see if that level was a level of support anywhere else really quickly. I'll bring this down. So I'm just changing my mind, guys. I'm on the fly here. So that's a level of support. I was going to look, see if there was a level of support anywhere else. There was a level of support here. Nice level. See that right here? Okay. Nice level of support here. So it's just giving me more confirmation to create this as my lowest level of support. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have my level of resistance. I have my level of support. And now, based on these levels right here, guys, if price decides sorry about that. So based on the levels right here, guys, if price decides it's gonna, this is me deciding where I'm gonna determine where I want to get in at in the market based on if price is gonna break one of these zones. Okay, so if price, it's right here. So now I have price trapped, right? So this was the latest consolidation area. I got the highest resistance point here, the lowest support zone here. So if price comes here really quickly, breaks above this zone, retests anywhere in this zone, right? Full candle, wick, whatever, retesting that zone, and then continues up, boom, I'm now in a buy. If price decides it wants to drop down here, breaks this level of support, retest it as a level of resistance, and with the shift of momentum continues to the downside, then I'm going to be in a sell. Simple as that. So guys, I hope you all receive some value from that. That is how you know, I personally do my best to determine, right, the trend. So it's just by trapping price here, and it'll give me the best synopsis if it's going to be a buy or sell. All right, if you found this to be a value, guys, do me a huge favor, hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you want to learn more about support and resistance, learning how to get into the markets and trading your own, also putting yourself in a position to earn while you're learning how to trade, getting access to 12 different products that you can earn within the markets and over 100 different educators to learn from, guys, visit my link, tradewithed.com, for more information. All right, thanks for your time. Talk to you later. Have a great day.